megalayapost.news
मुंबई से आया मेरा दोस्त को सलाम करो गुड लक एंजॉय
If you go down, you can see the Living Roots Bridge.
okay thank you I think we have to bring you as a guide here
Umentri rangba kejela ukandot ki sangma mentakasi daladi ula hiarsha walingkhat bahap haka penursla subdivision East Khas Hills nagamta malet jingo ya kejing petrikam ya ki kam penroi kiba ka sarkar galabo ya ka thong bankintiu ya ki kam jingo kai perthei kani kejing hiar menteri rangba malet jingo ni jurip shawalingkhat ki kentop ya kejing jurip ya kejing pentrei ya ka Living Root Bridge Experience Center walingkhat ka wa Ken Residential Music Retreat bat kiwe ki kam penroi ki bla shna gerpang bankintiu ya ka kam jingo kai perthei ha kejela Kembala pun pau ke sarkar jela kelak menghadu nyopo klur tingka bantai itanat ya ke Living Root Bridge Experience Center bat kentup ru ya ke Waken Residential Music Retreat. Nalor kata gamang tingka ke kentup ru ya ki projek ban pentrai hamau kernot rang theliang bat kasnong menring. Kibri ki projek ban shna ya kelinti ya kijat ne trekking circuit bat kibe ki kampun roy kiban kring ya kinang wan jengok kai perthai syakani ke jela.
so we are here now in this beautiful sacred groves in the Right Nong Glai area, and it is more dense than any other sacred grove that I have seen. It's a great experience, and really the way the local people here have preserved the entire forest area, maintained it, is something that is really admirable. And we have come here to see how we can promote this entire area. As I was mentioning earlier, that we will be putting up the experiential center for the Living Root Bridges, which is just right above this particular sacred grove. And this entire area will be promoted from the tourism point of view, while maintaining the overall sanctity as well as the forest cover of this area, so that the sentiments of the local people are always kept in mind, while the experience for the tourists also is something special which they will not get anywhere in the world. So we are here in Walangkhat right now, where as you can see the Living Root Bridge Experience Center is going to come up. And the reason why we have selected this area is because the Living Root Bridge density is very, very high, one of the highest in the entire region and the state. And through this particular Living Root Bridge Experience Center, the tourists who come in will be able to understand the entire culture, the history, and the techniques, and the different locations where these Living Root Bridges are. And it will completely make the overall experience for the tourist even more special. So therefore, this is one of the very important projects for us. It's not just this. Apart from this, as you know, that there's an entire trek out here, which will be another experience for the tourist. Along this trek, there is the Wanken village also, which is known for its traditional music, where we will be putting up the music center, where people can go and train as well as experience the traditional and the local music out there. And therefore, this entire area is being built up as a complete circuit where people can come and experience the Living Root Bridges, have the necessary facilities, and also experience it through these museums and these experience centers, where they'll be able to get complete knowledge about the history, culture, and the entire overall Living Root Bridges of the state of Meghalaya.
megalayapost.news